Hi, my name is Tarini Seth. I'm from Shiv Nagar School, Noida.
Okay.
And my activity's name is baking in art or a science. So here we have four batters. One batter has all the ingredients like eggs, butter, baking soda, and this does not have baking soda. This does not have butter, and this does not have egg. So the one with all ingredients is moist, has height, and is like is structural. The one without baking soda doesn't have height because baking soda, also known as sodium bicarbonate, makes carbon dioxide bubbles which help in the height of the cake. While the one without the butter is dry because the butter has fats in it, and the fats give out like moisture to the cake, which makes it nice. And then the one without the egg has protein, so it helps in keeping the structure of the cake. So this one without the egg has a higher chance of falling apart. Thank you.
Thank you.